Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. I wanted to take a minute to wish all of you a very happy and blessed Thanksgiving, even though I seem to be sitting in front of a Christmas tree. Well, I'm at my daughter's house, and my daughter Dawn and my son-in-law Jason hosted this year. And well, my daughter loves Christmas. If it was up to her, she'd start decorating the house in the summer. But anyway, I tell all of you how grateful I am for all of you that follow my channel and support me. I really do appreciate it. And if you want to stay beyond this, I'm going to insert in the video a few photos and a few videos so you can share in my day. So anyway, I will see you all very soon. Love you all. Toodles! I'm up on the landing in the living room, looking down below into the dining room. She has her table set all pretty there. There's another table set up for the kids in the kitchen. Oh, there's the man of the hour. Hello. Who cooked the turkey. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
So tell me how you prepared that turkey.
I defrosted it for 4 days in the fridge.
Oh, wow.
Then I brined it for 18 hours.
18 hours? Oh, wow.
A big Ziploc bag.
Oh.
Then I got up at 7:30 this morning and I put it in.
Very good.
Yeah,
well, I'm sure we are all going to appreciate it.
Yeah,
thank you.
You got it.
Jason made the turkey. Look at it. He brined it, right? Is that what you call it? Brined. Looks yummy. Woo! Water is boiling for the mashed potatoes. Dawn, it's going to boil over. Jake, lower that. There's Dawn and Jason. Busy, busy, busy.
Mama.
Dawn's making green beans, and Jason is doing, I think, mashed potatoes over there.
Yep.
Busy, busy, busy. And I'm doing nothing. She said they didn't need any help, but my turn will come at Christmas, I guess, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll be napping in the upstairs family room.
Oh, I caught the hostess licking the mashed potatoes off the beater. Are they good? Mm, okay.
Homemade.
Okay.
Any
I'm
lumps?
waiting to try them.
Yeah.
All right.
I like lumps.
I know you do.
A few.
That's why I asked.
All right.
Yummy in the tummy. The turkey's getting carved. Yum, yum, yum.
I was saying the same thing.
Mmm.
As a senior, I
Hungry.
feel as though I need help.
Pebbles, did Daddy give you some
No, I'm
turkey?
for the,
Did Daddy give you turkey? Yeah.
That's the deal that I made.
Oh, you're a good girl. Oh, you're going to get some more. Oh, yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
It's here.
Oh, here we go. Everybody's getting ready to dive in. Look at that. Corn, stuffing, green beans, mashed potatoes. Oh, we even have ribs here. And we have turkey, biscuits, and cranberry sauce. Nice job, Dawn and Jason. There's the cameraman digging in. He's hungry. Everybody's hungry. And there's Dawn. She did all the work, right?
I did.
So she says, I'm getting some food.
faster.
Sure looks yummy.
Cleaned out a lot of my guys. And I was lucky. I had a cheap one about 4 or 5 years ago.
There's Kyle digging in. Kyle likes mashed
once that
potatoes.
happened,
Aunt
it
Dawn's
was,
homemade mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Nothing. Help yourself.
They sent it to you.
Time to eat.
I don't know how they.
I put it in a bowl with.
Then what else did I do? I get a lot of Visa, MasterCard voicemails.
There's lots. We have like
Suspicious activity.
24 of them.
You have no idea what he's talking about?
Correct it.
Oh, look at you got the drumstick. Oh, that's a big drumstick. And ribs. The boys have their own table.
As we should.
You know, it's funny, when I was a kid, I used to have to get stuck at the kids' table, and I hated it. I'm like, why do we have to sit at the kids' table?
Looks like my mom has a seat open next to her.
That's my seat.
Yeah, obviously.
The Tupperware's out, cleaning everything up. Hi, Scott.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, same to you. Oh, and there's Aaron. Hi, Aaron.
Hello, happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. And there's Lukey Dukes. Hi, Luke. Hi. You too. Oh, and Kyle. Hi, Kyle. What are you watching?
Soccer.
Soccer. And there's Jake over there, home from college. Hi, Jake.
Thanksgiving, huh?
Thank you. Oh, and I see Grandpa over there. Hi, Gramps.
Hi, Mom.
I'm not your mother.
Merry Thanksgiving.
Oh, Lord. You're a character.
Oh, Timothy.
Right. There's excitement in the room. What happened?
Stop the camera.
What happened?
Scoring a bicycle game. We don't know what that is.
Oh,
We've been on
my
a bicycle.
goodness. I heard screaming. I came in here to see what was going on. Oh, what's the score now?
2-0.
Let's zoom over here. Oh, look at them all. 2-0. Brazil. Woohoo.
Reach out if he gets 2 goals.
Popped himself too.
Boom.
Lucas.
Move a scissor, yeah, move a scissor.
Here's Aaron and Jake. Well, everyone's had a few minutes to digest their food, and now we're going to have dessert. This is some type of an apple cheesecake pie.
Yo,
And there's the
don't you
little
leave that
turkeys and brownies. And this is a
That way-
pumpkin spice pie.
yeah,
And there we
right
have
there, it's fine.
chocolate chip
Where you
cookies.
going?
And we have turkey legs with a
Okay,
few
let's go.
turkeys in the middle. It is Thanksgiving Day, but not Christmas. But my daughter Dawn loves to get her decorations up early. So we got a chance to see her tree in the living room. And I'll scoot over here. Whoop. And there's a little table she has in her living room. Oh, there's me taking the picture in the mirror. Down below is her dining room. She has her lights on the railing. And the whole outside of the house is decorated also. So she's all set. She's all set for Christmas. And here she has all their stockings hung, going up the stairs. A lot of work. But my grandson Aaron loves Christmas, and he loves to decorate too, so I think he helped her. Well, all good things must come to an end. It was a wonderful day, that everybody had a great meal, yummy desserts, and a good time. And don't they say turkey makes you tired?
What, what's the word?
Yeah, there's something in turkey.
Tryptophan.
What is it?
Tryptophan.
Oh, they say tryptophan makes you tired. That's in turkey. And I think Jason's been feeding Pebbles, because look at that sweetie pie. She's tired. So good night, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.